In this video, I'm going to show you how to install shaders on Minecraft 1.21.5. First thing, you want to open Google like this, and then you want to search Fabric. You want to go to the website that says fabricmc.net. Go to this website. Then you need to download it. After you download, you want to go to this link, Fabric API. Now once you're on this page, you want to go to Files and scroll down. Now you want to search for the Fabric for the version that you want. Now we're doing 1.21.5, so we're gonna have to look for this version. This is 1.21.1, so we're gonna need not this one. Let's scroll to the next list. Okay, so I found it after a few searches. 1.21.5, it's here. So I'm gonna click on these three dots and click download file. Over here it's gonna take a few seconds to download, so just wait for a few seconds. And now it starts downloading. So after you do this, you wanna leave this website and click back to it again, the same website, Fabric API. So once you are on this, you wanna search here sodium. So make sure you search SODIUM. So here, now you want to click on this option that says Sodium by Jelly Squid. So click here and then click Files. Now we're gonna search here. Now here you need to be specific when you search for the version, because you have to search for the version 1.21.5, and for this mode loaders it should say Fabric here. So here, let's see, I'm gonna try to search for let's see if I can 1.21.5. Okay, as you can see, I found it. So it was in the second list here. I clicked on the second list and I found it. So here it says the sodium, so 1.21.5 Fabric, and this is basically the one that you need. So you're gonna have to click on the three dots and download file. Now it's gonna take a while. And now you want to leave this website and click back again to the same website, Fabric API, and here in the search for IRIS shaders and hit enter. You're gonna see this option here, so click on it. Now you want to click on files, and over here do the same thing. You want to search for the version 1.21.5 and for Fabric. So as you can see, it's this option right here. So it says actually no, not this one. You're gonna, let's scroll down. I think it should be, yeah, this is the one. It should say Fabric here, so yes, this is the one. So as you can see, 1.21.5 and Fabric. So download this one. So as this downloads, you want to leave this website and click back again into it. So you can go to this page and go to the mods here, and here, as you can see, you want to select the shaders over here. Over here you will see your options of the shaders. So for example, this option, it will show you, like, if you want this option, you can choose, it will show you images, or this one, it will also show some images. Some of them like are different from one another, so it's up to you to choose which one. So once you find the one that you like, just basically click on it like this. So after you land on this page, you want to click files, and here you want to search the version 1.21.5. so let's see, this is the one, 1.21.5. So you want to click on these dots and click download. Then you want to leave this Google page. So now you want to open your downloads. So I'm just gonna go to my downloads here. Now here you're gonna start with the Fabric installer, open it, and you're gonna install the installer for the version 1.21.5 and click install. So after install, just leave this page and leave this page. Now you want to go and open up Minecraft. So I'm gonna open Minecraft launcher, and here I'm gonna show it here. So I'm gonna go to Minecraft Java Edition, go to installations, and here you're gonna find the Fabric Loader 1.21.5. So open installation folders like this. You're gonna have the screen. So right here you want to search for the mods folder. So this is the one. Some people might not see the mods folder, so you might just have to right click and just create a mods folder yourself. So create one and name it mods. So if you don't see it, but if you see it, just click on it and open it. And now we're gonna open the downloads, open the downloaded folders here like this. So once you're on this screen, you want to select Iris and Sodium and the Fabric API and just drag them and put them in this mods folder. So now I'm gonna close these windows and I'm gonna go back to Minecraft. I'm gonna go to home, and right here if you click next to this button, you're gonna see this option where you're gonna choose Fabric Loader 1.21.5. It should be already selected, but if it doesn't, just make sure you select it from this list and then run Minecraft like this. So once you are in a single player in Minecraft, you open a world. So what you want to do now is click escape, click on the options, video settings, and click shader packs. Over here you want to click open shader pack folder. Once you're in this folder, you want to go to your downloads. So this is the downloaded shader pack you have downloaded. So basically this is what you want to do. You just want to click and drag, put this shader pack in your shader packs folder, and then you can close this. You're gonna find this shader has been placed, so make sure you select it and make sure it's enabled. Click apply, and it's gonna take a few seconds here to load. Okay, so it has loaded. So after it loads, just click done and go back here, here, and you're gonna find the shader has been applied to your Minecraft. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.